Now in this video, we're going to talk about a brand new high income ETF brought to us by Kurv. It's called the Kurv High Income ETF. I'm going to share with you guys what this ETF is, what it has to offer, and of course, if not, I'm planning on buying into it. This ETF is brand new, but I promise you, if you are a dividend income investor, this is going to be a great one, worth hearing more about. So if this sort of thing interests you at all, make sure to stick around, drop a like down below, and let's get right into it. My A to Z dividend investing ebook has already helped countless dividend investors get started with their journey. And my custom dividend tracker, the one I use all the time on my videos, has also helped so many investors stay organized and has actually helped them see their dividend income grow. Well, today I have something even better for you guys. When you click the first link down below in my description and you grab my A to Z dividend investing ebook, today you're not only going to get the ebook, but you're also going to be getting the custom dividend tracker, which you can use to track your own dividend income ongoingly. Get direct access to my personal email where you guys can email me any questions regarding dividend investing. You're also going to receive a link to view all of my holdings inside my 7-figure dividend portfolio and see all the positions I add and take away ongoingly. And you're going to get for absolutely free my brand new high yield dividend investing ebook where I show you the power of maximizing some of these high yielding ETFs and teach you everything there is to know about that also. This is going to be your one shot to grab everything inside of one single bundle, but you got to move quick because I'm not going to offer this for long. Now with all that, let's get back into the video. Now maybe one of the main reasons I'm so interested in this new Kurv ETF is because Kurv is the same provider that brought us Technology Titan Select or KYLD ETF, which offers around a 19% distribution rate and has grown in price since it began trading. The Kurv Technology Titan Select ETF is one of my favorites that I've been trying to add more and more to. This ETF has been mentioned in plenty of my recent videos if you guys have been watching. So that brings us into Kurv's new ETF, the Kurv High Income ETF, KYLD. It's its potential benefits of the Kurv High Income ETF. Number one, offering recurring income stream to shareholders, which is amazing, especially if you're a dividend income focused investor trying to build out your portfolio to pay you more and more over time. Also gain exposure to a portfolio of high growth securities, which might or might not be something you're interested in. Some investors want to take the slow and steady road and don't really want as much growth exposure. I personally do like growth exposure, especially if there's an option overlay, which brings us into the next potential benefit. Tax advantage option premiums may not be immediately taxed and therefore has the potential to offset short-term tax liabilities. This ETF's investment objective is going to be to seek and provide high income. Now, of course, because this ETF just started trading, we don't exactly know how much high income that really means. It can mean anywhere from 10% to 20 to 30+%. Now, to get a little bit more of an idea of what this ETF is going to have to offer, again, it's only been trading for literally a day or so. As far as the holdings, as of right now, it looks like there's some cash in the holdings. It looks like there's some TER, some BWXT, some ABGOs, some GDX, some SIL, some Hood, some Intel, some Shopify, some pretty high beta names, which means there is going to be the potential for some high income generation. Now, the other cool thing about this fund, which also has my attention, is going to be the fact that the distributions are going to be weekly. Again, just because an ETF has a distribution frequency as of weekly versus monthly or quarterly does not mean that it's necessarily better, but weekly distributions are definitely another selling point. Now, because there's nowhere really talking about capital appreciation as far as the goals or objectives, it really is just talking about high income generation. I'm going to guess that this ETF is going to be offering well north of a 20% yield. But again, the ETF's performance is going to be tied to how well the underlines do within whatever time frame we're looking at. Either way, KYLD, the Kurv High Income ETF, is definitely going to be on my watch list, and I would likely consider adding it into my portfolio very soon here. So now that we went over the basics of the Kurv High Income ETF KYLD, talked about what this ETF is and what it's going to be offering investors, I lastly have a question for you guys down below. Are you personally adding any KYLD to your portfolio? Let us know why or why not in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to please drop a like in it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks as always for stopping by, and if you are interested in investing, make sure to check out these recent videos I posted right here.